The village of Anjuna is one of the most famous tourist destinations in Goa. Every Wednesday it hosts the famous Anjuna Flea market. This market started over 40 years ago as a place where the hippies gathered to buy, sell and exchange clothes and handmade materials. Nowadays the market has developed into a huge event where products from all over India and around the world can be found. The stalls spread over the coconut groves and rice fields of South Anjuna. Rice is cultivated in the fields north of the market during the monsoon. When winter comes, these fields are deserted and used as a car park for the market visitors. This may look like an unlikely place to find birds, but in fact these fields may well be the best spot in the area to watch grassland birds like larks, pipits and buntings. On the road that runs through the fields leading to the beach, there are 2 natural ponds that hold water well into the dry season. Around these wetlands, birds like kingfishers and snipes gather. Being used to human presence, the birds are very accessible for photographers. An early morning walk along the road to the beach should easily reveal almost all the birds in this movie.